Hey, what's up, DogeCola coin holder? What's going on? After a very long time, my friends, DogeCola is completely come into trending, and definitely every coin will moving upward after a very bad fall. So in last 24 hours, my friend, if we check out, my friends, the DogeCola results, so absolutely this is unbelievable and very huge pump, my friend. You can see at this time DogeCola were get now. You can see here after a very long time, my friends, DogeCola price will starting increasing. So I think it's really good news for all of you. But as you can see, my friend, from last 30 days, 101% the price increase, but in last 14 days, my friend, you can see here, so -5% the price is decreased. In last 7 days, 1.5 again, but in last 24 hours they will again for shortly. This is temporary fail, my friends, don't worry. Absolutely, it's really trending coin, my friend. Kindly, this is temporary fails. I hope, my friends, to and remember to after a fails every coin will pumps up. Yes, absolutely. And after a huge pump, absolutely every coin will fail down. So therefore, after you can see in 30 days they will pumps, but in 14 days they will fail. In 7 days you can see they will pump, and 24 hours they were failed. But this time I hope, my friends, to tonight they will again starting moving upward and they will recover all the loss. So how do you feel about DogeCola today, my friends? So I feel very good now. You can see, my friend, this time 89% people feeling good now, just in all the 11% people feeling bad. But don't worry, my friend, absolutely this time you can see your coin isn't completely on the trending, and you can see the changing. So the changing is available now, my friends. You can see eToro X and crafto.com. You can see here these websites, check out now. Pancakes web, my friend, is the worst and the is the most, my friend. You can see the latest and the very heavy. So you can see here and big one, these two, my friends, blockchain absolutely available now. So and normally you can see a trading blade file is another against the average and active not traded in the last 3 hours. All right, it's okay, no problem. All right, so Dogecoin price is very cheap. You can see a Dogecoin price is 0 point, I think, 246 708923 USD dollar, and the market cap you can see is not available. Market cap to mines is not showing. Trading volume is 90,000. It's very less, but I hope, my friends, to this will be also increasing, because this is new coin in the crypto. This is not new, but absolutely this coin is completely on the slimming, but urgently they will wake up and starting completely go to the moon. So it's really good news for all of you, my friends, too. Dogecola is completely on the trending. Remember, when Dogecoin will starting moving upward, then Dogecola is also coming to trending. So Dogecoin is also in this time completely on the trending, and the price is increasing. So therefore, Dogecola is also coming to trending. All right, my friends, Dogecola price and market data you can see here. So it's absolutely available now here. So you can read out now, and I already showing, my friends, the all data, etc. DogeCola News and Guidance. You can see here. So, a buy one buy to become Australia's Bitcoin mining hub report. Crypto for data. You can see, my friend. The potential Bitcoin mining center employing renewable energy could become the largest such facility in Australia. Oh my goodness, it's also where for facilities, a lot of facilities, my friend, for out of countries, not for these side countries. Yes, absolutely. For the market under CTFC for high profile crypto bits. So day crypto, you can say 30 minutes ago, fully market a website where we can use the crypto and future events is facing a probe by the commodity futures trading commissions. How effects NFT are changing the game for Ninja athletes. Degraft 33-minute videos like freestyle footballers sim in general, and using exports NFT and connect with their fans and make nice sports portable for players. Oh my goodness, if they will collaborate with this type, so I hope, my friends, they will completely go to the moon. So you can see this time a more trending coin. You can see this, so Koma Inu, and you can see it Shiba Inu and BNB Fair and Phantom and Veracity. These currencies are also in the trending. So kindly, if you want to invest now, I think this is very good coins. Kindly, without any doubt, invest now. I am 100% sure they will give you a profit. All right, thank you so much, holders. Kindly like video, and yes, please press the bell icon for videos notification, and don't waste your time.